Hey guys, Peter Harper, Managing Director and CEO of Asena Family Office. For those of you who are not familiar with the business, we advise foreign families and private clients on US direct investments and mergers and acquisitions. So today I wanted to talk about the definition of a multifamily office. Right? What is it? Right? The term family office has become more ubiquitous over the last decade as the transference of money, of significant private money away from major financial institutions into the hands of private family managers has continued to grow. So in my last video where I talked about what it was to be a family office, right? A multi-family office is just that on a fractional basis. So to recap, in an atypical family office, single family office, you'll have a C-suite, right? Not unlike you would have in an operational business, right? That covers tax, accounting, finance, legal, wealth management, sort of investments, right? And sort of general admin for the family, right? In a multi-family office, it's simply that on a fractional basis, right? A family may not have the wealth to be able to sustain the full C-suite, and for a lot of single-family offices, it can cost $3 to $10 million just to run the executive infrastructure for the family. So they may not have the wealth that can sustain that type of costs or to run it. So they say, you know what, we want someone on an outsourced basis to fractionally manage all these things for us as a family, right? Obviously, you're doing it fractional. There's going to be some reduction in the cost for doing that, or they simply don't want the headache of managing all of those people internally, right? So this is the core of what Asena as a business does. We provide fractional support for families that either choose not to run their own C-suite, right, run their own service lines, because they don't have the wealth to sustain that, or because they don't want the headache of that. And we do that across tax, accounting, estate planning, wealth management, M&A advisory, and legal, right? So if you want to know more about family offices or you need help with your family office, please reach out. Cheers.